Okay. Haul him up. Yeah, you finally caught him. That's good.
Finally.
Yeah.
Oh, he's right in the mouth.
Oh, he's yeah, but he's in the gill. Take a look. He's in the gills. See the gills coming out?
Yeah.
He's bleeding. You might as well just keep it already.
All right.
Because you can't throw it back. Well, just you got pliers?
Oh yeah.
You're gonna have to on this one.
Well, you got it pretty good, didn't you?
Yeah, it was right in the gills. You can see the gills coming out. Oh. Look at it. The gills are coming out of the gill plate already. That's why he's bleeding already. Wow. He tried to swallow it. This is the one that tried to get to my bait, and he's been hanging around. So he just kept going after it, and he finally caught him. What is your name, sir?
Nick.
Nick. What? Yeah, something's on. My luck, probably another puffer. Probably a big puffer. We'll see. Oh, he got caught now. He was pulling. Now he's caught up in the reef. Oh, came off. Okay. I got my bait back, but I lost the lead line. But it was pulling for a while. Yeah, it was pulling to set off the bell and everything. Yeah, he's still on. Okay, he's there. No doubt about it, he's there. Oh, there's something there. Oh, there goes the stingray. What the? What happened? He was on?
Yeah.
Oh, that's the second one in a row I lost. Yeah. Come on, I want to see OEO. Oh, well, it's better than nothing, I guess. Yeah, at least they're around. Come back in a year. Yeah. Well, yeah, you want them?
No, I don't want it.
All right. Live bait.
Yeah, I want catching a wheel.
He's the right size, though.
Yeah. Maybe you can catch that. Jack with a rule.
Yeah, I could probably just throw it out the way it is, yeah?
Yeah, feed it fine.
I couldn't even bring it up at first because I got a feeling it went into the reef, yeah. Then when I tugged it hard, then it came off. All right.